This is Start a YouTube Channel series, which is a series with 9 videos that are aimed at providing you with 9 steps that you should follow or that you should think about when starting your YouTube channel. And this is the only YouTube content guide that you might actually need to be able to start, to grow, and make money on YouTube. And this is especially true if you are a beginner or you have no experience when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is a very powerful platform, and you can be able to leverage the power of video content on YouTube to be able to monetize your skills, your knowledge, your expertise, your hobbies, your passions, or your life experiences. You can be able to turn that video content you're creating on YouTube to be able to build your personal brand and also to turn it into an income generating online asset or online business, which in the long term can probably or ultimately provide you with time, location, and financial freedom. I want you to take time to watch the videos in this particular series and also be intentional when seeking to understand each of the 9 steps that you can need or that you need when it comes to starting your YouTube channel. And if you have any question, do not hesitate to actually ask that question. And to be able to get started on this particular series, on the Start a YouTube Channel series, I want you to do these 2 things. 1, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you do not miss any of the videos in this particular series. And then the second thing that I want you to do is to actually watch the video that is next in this series, which is about finding your why when it comes to starting a YouTube channel.